Before I get started on the whole uh, review, this quick disclaimer. I paid for this product. It's not a paid advertisement. Alright everyone, this is going to be a little bit of a different video, as you can tell from my view. I am going to be doing a video on a mic that I bought this other day. A Maono AU-A04. Your product review. First off, I'm not going to be in the video as much because it's more about the product. Let's get this thing open. Alright. So first off, you got your user manual, some warm tips, the QR code. I put those off to the side for now. Another little business card. You got your sock for the mic. It's pretty thick. It's my first time using a mic like this, so I really can't judge it based on other products. You have your other filter. Pretty good flexibility. Put that off to the side. You got your, I don't know what you would call this, your part for your mic to sit your mic in. Pretty standard from what I've seen on other people's reviews and mics, and it's got the little rubber. I like that because for vibration. Got your USB cord connection, your desk clamp to mount your arm to the desk. One thing I've seen on this, and I may over time, is it's metal, so I may stick something in there, piece of plastic or something. That way you can't really see it, but if you got a lot of pressure, there's a little bit of a part of the screw right there, and if you got a lot of pressure, I don't want it to damage the desk I got. Got the arm. I can figure out how to work this thing. There you go. Decent size arm. Good enough for what I'm needing it for. And now, get the microphone. Nice little thing. What I've seen and other reviews on this already is the part you want to talk into has to be facing towards the label. Like if I set up that way and I try and talk in from this end, it's not going to come in as clear as if I'm talking from this end. Something I have to pay attention to when I install the whole thing. And this one does not have ties to keep the cord in place, so it's not dangling. And it's got this, which I don't even know if that would be any good. Alright, so I'm gonna cut for right now. I will come back once I have it installed and give you guys my thoughts on it. In this part, a little audio editing. I forgot I didn't have my headset with the mic on. I talking about the USB connection, but it also has a adapter piece where it actually can connect to USB-C for connecting to like your mobile devices and stuff like that, which I found pretty neat about this mic. So like if I go somewhere, I can actually take it with me and bring it with, or if I'm outside recording, I can bring it out so I can echo out. Don't have to sound outside. Alright, now we're back. And I'm actually using the mic. So if you notice the difference, that's why. Let me know if it's too loud. I'll turn down my settings to lower it so it's not so loud for you guys. And just give you guys a little quick look at it while it's set up. So there it is. I like it so far. I may reposition it somewhere else on the desk for a little bit more convenience, not so much in the way of my view. This has a really good, this condenser has a really good flexibility to it. It's a real solid sock or like condenser, muffler, muffin, whatever they call it. It's real sturdy, real good product wise, I think. Sorry, let me get that out of the camera. A lot of good adjusting for right now. Yeah, if you're interested in, getting equipment like this for your own channel or starting it up or whatnot, like you might do vlogging, yeah, I would recommend this. I bought it. I will post a link, but I bought it on Amazon for like $52 with taxes. It's 47 something right now. The price might fluctuate. But I mean, if you're starting off and you're not like a big time streamer and you don't have the money to be spending on a Elgato or one of those other mics that are 150 or maybe more, this ain't too bad to start off with. And I like it because it also will now give me the flexibility to record without having to have my headset on, which will allow me to kind of be able to be more movable. Like I'm not feeling so stuck in place. And I feel like I do like when I play a game. So I hope y'all enjoy and I hope y'all have a good day. Please leave a like, and if you like this, and subscribe if you want more of this. Thanks.